Erie One BOCES is a public school cooperative. The mission of Erie One BOCES is to best serve our school districts by taking a more modern approach to IT managed services. We've rolled out services that have a direct impact on student instruction and have increased student engagement. Erie One BOCES turned to Microsoft Intune for device management because it provides superior visibility to our devices. This means we can push apps, virus definition, and security policy to these machines anywhere in the world so long as they have an internet connection. The real problem was, since these devices only existed in Azure Active Directory, they had no identity in our on-prem Active Directory infrastructure. In order to authenticate these devices onto our Wi-Fi network, we needed a way to identify these devices and then authenticate them in a secure manner. The challenges we faced in looking for a certificate vendor were scalability, cost, and ease of use.
BOCES reached out to us because they needed an in-house PKI solution that could issue certificates to each of those devices to provide a secure connection for their students and teachers to communicate during the COVID pandemic. The Intune integration that we did really opened up and timed perfectly with BOCES requirements. I felt confident going back to them with a solution that was cost-effective and could meet their needs today, but also expand to meet the future security requirements without a ridiculous amount of increased cost.
We specialize in creating PKI platforms, which is a platform that hosts and is able to deliver certificate authorities, or CAs. Essentially, it's a way to issue certificates to devices on your networks.
We're using PrimeKey to authenticate staff, faculty, and student Windows laptops, which they use both in the classroom and are able to take home to facilitate learning. Now, when they come into the classroom, their devices just get on Wi-Fi. They don't have to click any buttons, there's no user interactions, it just works. Being able to authenticate student devices against Wi-Fi is important because it allows student collaboration. PrimeKey was the right partner for Erie One BOCES because they have a cost-effective pricing structure and the product is easy to use. They offered everything we needed in one compact appliance. PrimeKey made it very simple. We implemented for 3 school districts in less than a week. We'll be rolling this out to several more districts in the very near future. This will enable us to get thousands more devices into the hands of our students and increase educational engagement.